It's time to announce the winners of our heavy metal truck giveaway. We're going to announce the winner of our Go Rhino Trailline bumper, but first, special thanks to Go Rhino for sponsoring this giveaway. The Trailline front bumper for Jeep JK, JL, and JT is a winch-ready bumper that supports up to a 12,000 pound capacity winch, is available in 3 unique styles, and features a front lockable gear drawer for additional storage out on the trail. If you're interested in the Go Rhino Trailline bumper or any of Go Rhino's other offerings, check them out on our website at titantruck.com/Go Rhino or by reaching out to us using the information on the screen. Winners for this giveaway were pre-selected from the list of entries using a random number generator. Without further ado, let's congratulate the winner of the Go Rhino Trailline bumper. Congratulations to Blake Olson. You've just won yourself a Go Rhino Trailline bumper. Please reach out to us on Facebook or Instagram to claim your new bumper. We're announcing the winner of the Retrax Pro XR tonneau cover in a separate video, so make sure you watch to see if you've won. We'll also be announcing our next heavy metal truck giveaway in the next few weeks, so make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on notifications so you can stay up to date with all of our latest videos. Until then, I'm Cody from Titan Truck, and we'll see you next time.